Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a Next.js project which allows you to convert your PNG or JPG images directly into PDF document. So this is actually the full stack application that I developed. This is actually the screenshot of it. So the interface looks something like this. It's completely responsive. It looks great on mobile, desktop, tablet. So here you will select a bunch of images that you need to convert into PDF. So as soon as you select the images, then you simply see this button here, convert to PDF. So as soon as you click the button, automatically the PDF file will get downloaded. It will have all the images that you selected. So it's actually a full stack Next.js project. This is actual directory structure. All the files are coded inside TypeScript. So it's actually using the latest version of Next, and we are also using jsPDF library as well for building this application. So we are using the latest version of Next and React. So we are running this project locally here, npm run dev. So it's easy for you to also deploy this application as well. So npm run build. So this will actually build out the entire project into a single folder. So the command is simple, so it's actually divided into its appropriate component here. So once you purchase it, automatically the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive. So it's actually a full stack application. You can actually drag and drop your images. Simply select the images, and as soon as you select all the images, it will be selected with live preview, and you can actually then click the simple button here to convert to PDF. So it's actually a single page application. All the processing is directly happening in the browser. So as soon as you click the button, your PDF file will get downloaded, so which will actually embed all these images. So you can see a PDF file is downloaded with all the images that you selected. So it's actually this Next.js application. You can see it's completely responsive as well. The actual user interface. Uh, it's a ready-made application. It will save you a lot of time as well. So we are using this Next.js, which is a really popular framework of React for building server-side applications. So it's actually a full stack web application, and for creating the PDF file we are using this open source library which is JSPDF, which is actually a JavaScript library for creating PDF files. So we are actually using this. So you can see the interface looks something like this. So you can easily purchase a domain name and rank this tool because it's actually a single page tool. So a lot of content is also written right here. You will see that. So the user will come to this application, they will select a bunch of images, and automatically after they select the images, they simply click the button and then the PDF file will get downloaded. So you can easily run this project after you purchase the source code. If you still face any issues, you can contact me. You can just see right here all the components are divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. And for building this, the command is simple npm run build. So this will actually build out this Next.js application. So basically run this npm run build command. So this will build out the entire project, this Next.js project here. It will create an optimized production build of this application. So in a matter of seconds, so it will create the dist folder. So once the command completes, you will be able to deploy this project as well. So a really simple project, but really powerful. I showed you the demo in this video. If you are interested, the link is given. You can directly purchase it, source code. It's fully customizable. All the files are customizable. You can add more features on top of this application. So it's a single page image to PDF converter, fully client side. It doesn't require any internet. So it runs locally. You can even deploy this as well. So once the build command completes, you will get a notification that your project has been built, completed successfully. And it's also using the latest version of Next as well, latest version of React. So you will see now it has successfully built out this project. So it created this .next directory where it actually have all the files. So it's easy for you to deploy this. So the link is given. You can directly purchase the source code.